Good morning. It's my 22nd birthday. We're starting it with eating some porridge because I felt really sick last night. It's yummy though. And I'm turning 22, or I've turned 22, which is like such a weird age. I mean, it's not really. It's just like kind of old. Like, it's not, it doesn't sound as fun as 21. It just sounds like, oh, you're turning old. So, I'm trying to be excited about it. Maybe like, I'm finally turning like mature and like into an adult now because I'm not really feeling any birthday sadness. Hasn't happened yet. It's my mission for this birthday to not cry. For as long as I can remember, I have cried every year on my birthday and I just don't want to do that now. It's a new year. I don't want to be sad. I don't want to feel like shit anymore. I actually want to work on being happy and optimistic and positive and all that bullshit, I suppose. So, not bullshit. All that good shit, I suppose. Not crying is quite an achievement actually because I started my birthday by being really sick. We just came back from a trip and I was already feeling like a little weird. I was like feeling very acidy and very like nauseous and all, but I thought maybe it was just car sickness and my tummy was hurting a lot. So we came back, I just lied down, I was like I had fever and then I just puked my guts out. After that I started feeling better. So it was most definitely acid reflux because it kind of runs in my family, so I guess it's my time to shine. It's my time to suffer. Acid reflux itself sounds like such a old people thing to have, so I am ready. I have a lot of fun things planned for today and yeah, I'm excited to vlog this and I'm excited to edit it. Please edit it, Araki, please. I got you, babe. We on this YouTube grind this year. That's what I say every year, but this year for sure. Bye. Then I watched some 30 Rock while I waited for my friend and got some snacks downstairs. Say hi to the vlog.
Unfortunately, Ariki's birthday comes so fast after New Year's that everyone's energy levels are zero. Yet we are here taking an hour-long drive. Ariki has finally experienced how flaky the rest of his friends are.
I am not going to put this in the vlog. Diya, you're gonna get me cancelled from our friend group.
हम सब मुंह पे बोलते हैं यार, उनको तो ये सब है, वो फ्लेकी क्या करें हम। वो
बुराई सामने करो, पीछे नहीं।
हाँ तो मैं तो सामने ही करती हूँ।
लाइफ लेसन हम दिया।
थोड़ी ना आई एम टेलिंग देम कि नहीं तुम तो बहुत टाइम पे आते हो। 1000 बार बोल चुके हो।
That's how it is. We just have to accept them as they are.
Everyone with their flaws.
We're going to the farmhouse now. What do you call it?
I literally just call it Alua.
We're going to Alua now. Oink oink. Oink 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 oink.
She said she finds her rhymes.
We have reached and I am going to get in the pool. That's the most ideal way to spend a birthday because who doesn't like going into the pool? Let me give you a little outfit check. I'm wearing this dress from this brand called It Girl and it's so expensive, guys, for no reason. It looks really cute. It's got like this nice detailing here. The material is okay. I would pay like max maybe 2k for this dress, but it's almost like around 4 and they don't even have like a return policy, which is like such a scam. It's hella cute. I'm wearing these really nice earrings from Love DK.
It's Max school teacher bag. I have white pajamas, blue chappal, blue kurta, blue bag. No points for guessing what my favorite color is.
So this is my pool outfit because I don't have my one pieces here and I do have a matching bikini bottom for this, but I am too insecure to wear that. I haven't washed my hair because I knew that I was gonna jump in the pool, so but I think they're still holding up quite nicely. Seems like I'm the only one jumping in the pool. Oh, it's very cold out. It's so cold. If I jump into the pool, it will be like a ice water challenge. So I'm not sure. It's like really cold. So I don't know.
Are we being brave enough?
Walmart cartoon Pilates. Oh my god, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold.
Go!
Okay.
Yay!
Yay! But it's really cold. I'll just be doing this. A ballet. Oh, you want today? I don't know why I'm doing this. I want to try. Very cold. It's quite cold. What are my resolutions for 2022? It's so hard to be vulnerable when you're sitting outside because anyone can come in and know that you're saying all these things out loud. All I hope to be is a better person. I've never been on any international trips, so hopefully I'll get to go on one this year. I want to stop trying to control things that are not in my control, or just everything in general. I mean, the only thing that I can control is myself and my actions and what I do and what I think. I can't control how other people feel about me or other people. Oh my god, there are 2 peacocks right there. Fuck. I just want to be enough for myself, you know. I'm not alone, but I've been kind of lonely these past 22 years of my life. Or it feels like that, I suppose. But I want to embrace it, you know. I want to feel okay if something or someone doesn't live up to my expectations. If life doesn't go my way, I don't want to have a fucking breakdown. I just want to be like, okay, alright, it's fine. I figured it out. I just want to love myself a lot. I want to stop seeking love from other people and find it within myself, as corny as it sounds. But I think that's the only way to deal with this, you know. I spent the last 22 years hating myself and I'm so done with it. I think I'm too old to be doing all that stuff, you know. So, yeah. Let's go see the peacocks. There they are. Do you guys see them? Just casually hanging out here. The only 2 people that showed up for my party. It's almost 6:30. People are gonna start coming in by around 8. So now I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm still not sure about what I'm gonna wear. I have 2 options. So I'm just gonna do a nice blow dry curly kind of look with my Dyson. A lot of people ask me, is buying a Dyson worth it? I think if you're someone who styles their hair every day, if you're someone who's into content creation, if you're someone who needs their hair to look proper at all times, it's definitely a great investment. It's very quick and it gives you like a really good look if you know how to use it. But otherwise, I don't think it's something that you need to buy. If you style your hair very occasionally, I think you can definitely go for other products in the market which will give you the same results at a very cheaper rate. And then you just turn it on. Bitch. We've got the glasses here. We've got the whole setup here. Some chips, some dips, some more chips, hummus, and this is how it's looking like outside. It's looking very cute outside. My sister has been running around the entire day. I'm so tired. It all looks so pretty, guys. I'm so excited. I'm ready. My lips look so red on camera, but they're not looking that red in real life. Wearing this really nice dress by Shop Terrace. Feeling very fancy. I forgot to tell you guys that this is actually a movie characters themed party, so everyone has dressed up like actors, except for me. But let me show you the whole look. This is what I'm wearing. So I'm looking. This is how my sister's looking. She's dressed up like who? Like Pooh. Pooh number 1. Gee, that was really bad. Pooh number 2.
See, this is my outfit.
Pooh.
We done.
We have two Poohs from the same movie here. अब दूसरी आ जाएगी.
Pooh is a little bit more adventurous.
I am a subtle Pooh. Like if Pooh was like 5 years older, this would be it.
ये ऐसे नहीं आती हॉट गर्ल की तरह ना.
Carrot.
Because I was with them on the 29th. I went home.
I'm gonna prep for some drinks. For that, we need to squeeze some lemons. Not like that. Squeeze it right and nice. These are such nice lemons, bro. Very juicy. मुझे वो दे दे. क्या बोल?
Because you're wearing white jeans.
And the number 1 rule of being hot is you always help a Pooh in need. This is called being girls. Party. सिर्फ इसमें निकल जाती है. We have Britney Spears plus Sheila Ki Jawani plus what? Plus Kamli here. And then we have June George. The mom from Mean Girls.
I'm Oppenheimer without the hat, but yeah, I made this thing.
And without the bomb.
You don't know that yet, it's a surprise.
Guess who? Okay, sir, हमने pictures ले ली. दूसरा कैंडल जला के आ गया मुझे.
मैंने ही फूकता ब्रो.
Guys, एक मिनट focus नहीं हो रहा. Focus नहीं हो रहा guys. कोई help करो. कैमरा दियो. Pams. We're done in this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you.
आइसक्रीम डाल रही थी.
क्या ये क्या है?
Some snack for you. Happy birthday. चलो जय माता दी guys.
जय माता दी.
Let's rock.
ये लो फोटो खिंचवानी है.
Oh yes. Guys अपना एक ग्रुप आ रहा है.
That's oh my god. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's the day after the party. We ended up playing Dark Room after a while, and I was so busy having fun that I forgot to record, of course. And it was really fun. If you're having a party and you have a room big enough to play Dark Room with people, please do that. It's the best thing ever. I don't know why we ever stopped. We used to do it all the time when we were young. That's all. I had a great birthday. I did not cry. Mission successful. Maybe Taylor Swift was onto something here because I was so busy feeling 22 that I forgot to cry. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.